Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. After the video I uploaded last month about the closet essential you need to achieve the old money style that's super trendy right now, today I thought I would share even more quick and easy tips about how to look expensive without breaking the bank. I absolutely adore this style, but I definitely do not have the budget to buy expensive designer clothes. I'm just a normal girl with a 9 to 5, and I know most of you are in the same situation, so I'm sharing the tricks I personally use to look like a rich girl. Before we start, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor for this video, SDeer. I'll dive more into their great affordable fashion pieces a bit later, but for now, let's get started. First up, let's talk about building a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is all about having a collection of timeless, versatile pieces that you can mix and match effortlessly to create multiple different outfits. With only a few pieces chosen thoughtfully, you'll be able to create countless outfits that you can style and accessorize differently and never seem to wear the same thing. This is honestly my #1 trick to make the most of my wardrobe and to make sure that I invest in quality pieces that are worth it. This is what I covered in this video in detail, so make sure to watch it afterwards if you want to know the 10 pieces you need to create a good, classy capsule wardrobe. But the general idea is to choose classic pieces in good quality fabrics that will last you throughout the years. For example, key items include a button-down shirt, trousers, a tailored blazers, skirts, etc. These pieces form the foundation of a chic and sophisticated look. So yeah, here I advise to invest a little bit more to get those really nice pieces that will last you a long time. You won't regret it. A personal favorite of mine to get these kind of pieces is Aritzia for sure. It's a little bit more expensive than other brands, but in my book, for the quality you get, it's still not that bad. We're far from other luxury brand prices, you know? Next, another of my favorite tricks is to mix high-end items with more affordable pieces. Once you have secured your wardrobe foundation with those timeless pieces I just talked about, nothing stops you from buying cheaper pieces to combine them with. For instance, in this Instagram reel, I'm wearing a really good quality satin skirt that was like $120-ish, but I paired it with this blue button-down shirt that I found at Winners for like $10 or $15. And this is the best thing to do if you want to get those trendier pieces that are truly nice looking right now but won't pass the test of time. I don't know for you, but I just hate spending a fortune on a piece of clothing that I only get to wear during 1 or 2 seasons because it becomes out of style afterwards. So this is how I get to still wear trendy clothes if I want without getting frustrated for my wallet. At the end of the day, the goal is to create a balanced look that feels luxurious without spending a fortune. It's all about the overall appearance and not the individual price tags. Another tip is to stick to neutral tones and limit your color palette from head to toe. Neutrals like black, white, beige, or gray are timeless and convey sophistication. Plus, neutrals are so easy to mix and match that you won't have any problems to pair all your pieces together and create a lot of outfits. My closet is almost only filled with neutral pieces. I just can't help it because I have so much more wears out of my clothes that way compared to colorful pieces I own. I also just find it harder to create classy outfits with bright colors, but the trick I found to make it easier is to go with only one pop of color if you want to incorporate a colorful piece to your outfit. For example, wearing a neutral base outfit with a red cardigan still looks super chic. And lastly, an easy rule to remember is to limit your outfits to a maximum of 3 colors to keep your look cohesive and elegant. And yes, I mean even with neutrals, don't start wearing black and white and beige and gray all together, you will look all over the place. 3 is the magic number. Otherwise, you can also wear monochrome outfits with pieces from the same base color but in different shades. You will instantly look classy and put together even with more casual, affordable pieces. Speaking of chic neutrals, it's the perfect timing to introduce you to today's sponsor, SDeer. SDeer is a premium clothing brand that's been here since 1994, and their philosophy revolves around the belief that simplicity and comfort are the cornerstones of timeless style. They offer a mix of trendy, edgy, and vintage neutral pieces that are fantastic to make you stand out from the crowd. And because of their unique designs, whenever I wear one of their pieces, I feel like a real fashionista ready to walk the runway. So if you want that little confident boost, SDeer is perfect for this. When I talked about getting trendier pieces that are a bit more affordable, SDeer really embodies this idea as they offer affordable yet luxurious looking clothing. Most of their pieces are under $100 and I even have really great discount codes for you girls that will make your cart even more affordable. I will put them on the screen right now and in the description box. I'm really excited to share these with you because God knows I love a discount code. But yeah, their pieces are perfect for achieving that high-end look on a budget. Here I got a few pieces from their collection that I wanted to show you a little bit more closely. First, we have this top I'm actually wearing right now. It looks so chic and I'm obsessed with the fit and the puff shoulders and the button details. And I also got these two dresses that have like a vintage feel to them. I love them. Then I also got these stylish white blouses and this V-neck cardigan with a flared bottom and sleeves. The matching skirt that actually goes with this top. And lastly, probably my favorite piece of them all, this white midi skirt with this kind of ruffle pattern on it. Like, I love this one so much. It looks classy and perfect for a chic summer cocktail hour. And you can style all these pieces so many different ways to achieve a high-end look. I will link everything I just showed you in the description box down below if you're interested in any of them, but you should definitely browse their website if you like these styles as they have a lot to offer. To be honest, I discovered SDeer pretty recently when I saw some girls on Instagram wearing their clothes, and I'm so glad I did because now that I've tried them myself, I absolutely love them. Of course, like any brands, you will have hits and misses, and it's important for me to stay honest, so I can't say that I love all the pieces I got equally, but overall I do feel great about them and recommend trying out their brand. So make sure to check out their collection, you won't be disappointed. Okay, so now let's get back into business with my tip number 4 to look expensive on a budget: accessorizing wisely. Accessories can really elevate your look and change the complete vibe, so don't skip this part. Minimalist accessories like dainty jewelry, a belt, sunglasses, handbag in classic shape and neutral colors can make a big difference. And here you can choose to invest in 2-3 classic statement pieces that you'll be able to wear and rewear throughout the years, and then complete your collection with more affordable accessories to have variety. For example, I bought this Dolce & Gabbana watch like 15 years ago, something like that, and I still wear it today. But I also bought a ton of super nice Amazon belts lately. For handbags, you can look for affordable options in faux leather or high quality synthetics. You can buy gold-plated jewelry that's more affordable than actual gold jewelry, but will still stay nice and shiny for a long time. These are just a few examples on how to find accessories that look high-end without the hefty price tag. You really don't need to spend a lot to get nice looking things, maybe just a little bit more time to find them. Now let's talk about shoes. I'm a total shoe addict. I love having different pairs and styles, but at the end of the day, you really only need 3-4 pairs of classic shoes you can wear on rotation to complete your wardrobe. I'm thinking about loafers or Mary Janes, sandals or boots depending on the season, low-heeled pumps, and wide polished sneakers. These versatile shoes will go with everything, all your outfits, and can be dressed up or down. And once again, it's easier if you choose classic styles and neutral colors that will always be in fashion. So my advice when you're on a budget would be to secure these basic pair first. That way you will always have shoes to match with all your outfits, and then buy other styles if you want as you go. My next tip actually costs $0, but is capital to truly embrace that old money and quiet luxury vibe, so don't underestimate this. Focus on the details of your overall look, everything counts. Small things like well-maintained shoes, polished jewelry, neat hairstyle, or a subtle natural makeup look will make a huge difference. It might seem like they're all small things, but altogether it elevates your look instantly. And the one thing I see most people forget about or not carrying while it's super important is to steam your clothes. Yes, it might be a pain in the ass or take a while to do, but the look of your garment heavily relies on this. You could take the most expensive designer dress, if it's all creased and wrinkled, it will look cheap. While a $20 dress from H&M can look super classy and elegant if it's well ironed. So do not skip that part, I promise you your outfit will look 10 times better and more expensive just with this little hack. Also, it's super important that all your clothes fits you well. The fit of a piece is crucial because it will look like you're wearing clothes that were tailored for you. So don't wear pants that are way too long and drags on the ground, tops that are obviously too tight or too large, skirts that are weird length on you. Things like this makes you look way less polished. And lastly, shop smart. As I said, your wardrobe can definitely be a mix of high-end and affordable pieces, but in both cases, you can always look for the best deals during sales, use discount codes that a lot of influencers give, or download apps that help you save money. I personally almost never buy a piece of clothing full price. I'm always looking for a deal or wait for a specific sale. For example, I told you that Aritzia is my go-to to get high quality basics, but I never bought anything at regular price. I know they have two big sales during the year, like one in summer and one in winter, so I just wait and buy the things I want during this time. And specific sale periods like Black Friday, end of season sales, holiday sales are great times to score amazing deals. I also highly recommend thrifting. I recently got more into that and found some true gems at various thrift stores. Sometimes you can find branded pieces or things that are new or as new for like less than $5. It's crazy. Of course, it requires more patience, but if you love shopping like me and thrive when you find a nice piece of clothing at a ridiculous price, then you will definitely enjoy the experience. So there you have it. These were my quick and easy tips to look more expensive without breaking the bank. And remember, it's also all about confidence and owning your style, so the important thing is to wear what you love and what makes you feel good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please give it a thumbs up if so, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy fashion tips to look classy and confident on a daily basis. And I will see you real soon in the next video. Bye loves!